Hi everyone. Now that we have practiced counting to 20 and also counting by tens, now we are going to practice counting all the way to 100. So let's start. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now that we're in our 20s, we're going to continue with 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now we're in our 30s. So we would say 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. All right, halfway there. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Great job counting, everyone. Keep practicing.